Hi, I'm Dr. Naveen Somia. I'm a specialist plastic surgeon and the president of ASAPS. I'd like to invite you to attend the Anatomical Dissection and Cosmetic Procedures workshop. Now, this workshop has been going on for a few years now. It offers you an opportunity to learn how to inject precisely in relation to the anatomy that is relevant. You will be taught by experienced plastic surgeons and injectors in the technique of anatomy, identifying critical structures, identifying structures to avoid, spaces to inject to, all with a view to being a safe injector and a good one. When you inject for cosmetic purposes, whether it is an anti-wrinkle drug or a dermal filler, it is critical to give the best possible result to the patient in a precise and safe manner. And this workshop will help you learn information that will take your practice to the next level.